Hello everyone and welcome to Marian's Opening Bell. My name is John. I am the Membership Director at the Foundation for the Study of Cycles, and it is my pleasure to be your host for today, as every day from Monday to Friday. We are live from Bucharest, Romania and broadcast worldwide. Now every attendee will be muted in this webcast, and for any questions that you might have, please email me at i.guta@cycles.cc. Now I will continue like usual with our disclaimer. If you want to read it yourself, you can find it in the meeting info tab. Futures, options and Forex are leveraged instruments and you can lose all your money. The content in this webcast is for educational and research purposes only. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles is not an investment advisor and is not trying to sell you any securities. You as a viewer are responsible for your own trading, both the gains and the losses. There is a very high degree of risk involved in trading, and past results are not indicative of future returns. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles and all individuals affiliated with us inside and outside this webcast assume zero responsibilities for any individual viewer's trading and investment results. The cycles and planetary indicators and all other features in this webcast are for educational and research purposes only and should never be construed as investment advice on any one particular asset to any one particular person at any one particular time. Any personal use of our timing and trading observations is entirely at your own sole and personal financial risk, and it is your own sole and personal financial responsibility to evaluate the accuracy, completeness, and usefulness of the information provided. Now, your presenter for today, the Foundation Executive Vice President and Head of Research, Marian. Hi, Marian.
Hey John, hello everyone. Let's start. First asset in the Forex is Euro AUD. I have entered in a short position on July 13, currently gaining 1.27%. Cycle 2, 3 and 4 are presently a decline period. We are seeing cycle 2 the bottom on July 20, cycle 3 August 4th and cycle 4 July 31. So 3 cycles are presently a decline period. The personal lines, we have 3 positive, 2 really close to the 0 line. The primary signal is presenting an important low point around July 26. So currently, 3 cycles are still presenting a decline period. I have entered in a short position. The line signal is still presenting a decline period through this icicle. So I'm maintaining my short position in this asset. Let's continue with the next asset, Euro CHF. I have entered in a short position on July 17. Sorry, let's see if the prices are updated. 1 second, please. This will be This is presenting 1.11 current price, percent positive. Let's continue with the next one. This is presenting 0.08 Euro CHF trade short position is presenting 0.08% positive, and the last one GBP CHF 0.85. Let's continue. So Euro CHF. I have entered in a long position, short position, shorting on July 17. This is a new open trade. Cycle 2 and 4 are presenting a decline period. We can see in cycle 2 the bottom around August 18 and cycle 4 August 24. The primary signal, it has present a topping area, as you guys can see in here. We are seeing the Pearson lines, 4 of them primary territory, 1 still negative. All of them created a bottom and have started going upwards, so they are representing the primary signal. The primary signal currently is presenting a topping area, as you guys can see here. Then a longer term decline period. We are seeing an important icicle around August 17. So currently I'm in a short position in this asset. This is again a new open trade. I'm in a short position in this asset. I'm just making right now currently 0.08%, but it's looking really promising. Let's continue with the next asset. JVP CHF. I have entered on July 17 in a short position, currently gaining 0.85%. Cycle 2, 3, and 4 are presenting a decline period. We are seeing cycle 2, the top around August 8, cycle 3, July 19, and cycle 4, August 3rd. The Pearson lines, we are seeing 2 positive and 3 negative. The primary signal, it has presented an important spike around July 11 and second on July 19, 18, 19, somewhere in here. Then a clear decline period with a low point around August 7. So currently, I'm in a short position in this asset. I'm now maintaining my short position. The paradigm signal is presenting a decline period, and 3 cycles are presenting a decline period. Let's continue with the last asset, USD CHF. In the last trade, recently we have exited the trade in this asset. Actually today we have exited. The long position, we had on open long position started on July 4th, and this trade have lost 0.53%. Cycle 1, 3, and 4 have presented and are still presenting a positive movement. The paradigm signal is looking like we are currently the Pearson lines, the weighted average, have touched the zero line and have bounced upwards. Currently we have 3 lines positive and 2 negative. All of them created a bottom and have started going positive, going upwards. They are presenting currently the primary signal, and the primary signal is presenting a top around July 17, then a decline period after that. These last couple of days the price have declined more, and I decided to take the trade out basically of this. I was thinking we are still on the secondary signal. It's looking like the Pearson lines have bounced from the zero line, the weighted average, which is the most important one, the orange one, have bounced on the zero line, didn't decline under, and have started going positive. So it's presenting a primary signal. Again, primary is presenting a decline. Okay, let's present the watch list. First asset on the watch list, it's AUD JPY. The Pearson lines, we are seeing 2 positive, 3 negative. The secondary signal is presenting an important spike around July 17, yesterday. Then a decline period after that. We are seeing a low point around August 23. So currently I'm searching for a short position in this asset. I didn't enter yet NTR today, but it's looking really promising. The signal is looking really promising. Next asset, it's AUD USD. The Pearson lines, 3 positive, 1 touching the zero and 1 negative. The primary signal, because of the most important lines are in the primary signal currently, are presenting the positive movement with a low point around July 17. This low point didn't appear like we were expecting. The signal, the primary signal, was presenting a decline through this low point around July 7. It's like the price actually have go positive. So the price and the signal have gone to different direction. Recently they have started correlating. Currently I'm NTR in this asset. I'm maintaining this NTR, no trade recorded. Let's continue with the next asset, Euro JPY. We are seeing 1 line touching the zero line and 4 in negative territory. They are presenting the secondary signal. The secondary signal again is presenting an important spike around July 17, yesterday. Then a longer term decline period. Currently I'm NTR in this asset, no trade recorded. I'm just waiting for a couple of days to pass to just be sure we are tracking the right signal. The secondary signal is presenting a longer term decline period. Okay, next asset is JPY. The personalized, we have 1 positive, 4 negative. All of them declined drastically at this point around June 26 and have gone to negative territory. The secondary signal have presented an important top somewhere at the end of June. Now they are presenting a sideways movement through July 24, July 27, then another decline period. Currently, NTR, no trade recorded. The last asset on the watch is USD JPY. The personalized, we have 3 positive, 2 negative. They are presenting the primary signal. The primary signal have presented an important spike around July 11, then a decline in choppy area through this low point around July 27, August 4, these 2 low points. I'm interested in entering in a position after these 2 icicles. Currently, I'm just staying away because the paradigm signal is presenting a chopping area. Let's present one more time the trace record. So 3 open, short position, and the future file 2 long positions. Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Talk to you tomorrow. Take care. Cheers.